Hey guys, this is KyLudwig with Bish's RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you the Freedom Express 320 BHDS. So as you can see right on the outside, we got the fiberglass right here on the outside with the LED lights, so you can see on the outside. Got a couple propane tanks here. It's also got that front window on there, frameless, which looks a lot sleeker, and you can just go ahead and enjoy the view from the bedroom. We got your pass-through storage here with some boxes there, and it's got those slam latches in there, so it just is really secure. You got your power awning right here, as well as those LED lights, so you can enjoy the awning out at night. Before we go inside of the coach, I'm gonna go ahead and show you another cool feature about this one, which is the outdoor kitchen. Okay, we got the outdoor sink here. You also got a drawer here where you can put all of your different utensils, and more space right here as well, and storage. Got an electric plug right there, as well as a fridge too. And you can see it's got the springs as well, so easy to close. You don't have to be super strong to open it or close it. So it's great. Got our solid steps here. Really, really sturdy. Loving it. And we got our handle here, so let's go inside. Even as you enter inside of the coach, you can even see your controllers are easily accessible right here as soon as you walk in. And the other thing is you got a closet here. Okay, as soon as you walk in, you can put your stuff on in there. All right, so this is a bunkhouse model, and when you come inside the coach, you immediately notice the island, right? Okay, we got some solid surface countertops, corian right here, really top quality. We even have removable countertops with a nice sink here. I'll just go ahead and show it to you. Got some fluid in there. Then we got the sink as well, really nice. Then we got storage on the top here, as well as a microwave. Even more counter space. If you look right here, if you notice, these drawers are really long, as well as deep. This one's a silverware drawer, and then this one right here, just really long in length. More storage on the bottom, and storage on the bottom here as well. We also got our 3-burner stovetop here, and you can cover it for more counter space, as well as the oven. We also have our fridge right here. Really nice space here. Lots and lots of storage for food and all of your eating needs. And this pantry area is real nice right here, right? Lots of storage and space for everything that you would really need to put in your pantry. Now here comes one of my favorite parts of the rig, which is the bunkhouse separate room. So we can put kids right up here, as well as there's another bunkhouse right here. And you can even lift it on this side. And you can see it's got that spring right there, so it's much easier to lift. You don't have to be super strong. And if they just want to sit down and chill, totally can do that too. Lots and lots of storage. There's even a mirror right here, so you can look at yourself as you leave. Really awesome. This is a place also for a TV back here with some hookups on the top. And we got the ladder there so you can hook it right on here to these latches, and then just get up to the top bunk. And as you notice, just more storage everywhere for your clothes, for your shoes, or whatever the kids really want to put in there. So really, really nice. Come on back out here. Back out into the living/kitchen space. We got our dinette here. The table is down, and this does turn into a sleeping space. As you see on the bottom here, really, really deep drawers there. Lots of storage. You can put your arsenal, shoes, pots, pans, anything. I also really love this part of the rig. So this is a slide out. It's got 4 in total, or 3 in total, sorry. You can see on here it's flush with the actual floor. So it's not necessarily carpet on the slide out, which is actually a really nice look. You also got your love seat here, which does also convert into a sleeping space. You have your insignia big screen TV here. You can even bring it out and tilt it however you'd like. You got your radio here, as well as the fireplace to keep you warm at night, because it is getting cold out there nowadays. And then some more little storage things as well. Another thing I really love about this rig is the bathroom. So come on in here. This is the bathroom. Okay, we got our sink here, and we got the walk-in shower, as well as the toilet there. You check it out on the bottom. We got that toilet and some hangers and stuff. So when you're in this bathroom, it's also easy access to get into the bedroom as well. So this sliding door, you can close it if you want and just get easy access to the bathroom. Then I'll let you come on into the bedroom. Really, really nice bedroom. I love the colors here. I love the lights on the top here as well. You got that front window that we were talking about earlier. Really nice views. As soon as you wake up, you can immediately see what is out in nature. Tons of storage, anything you need for that. Just quite beautiful. You also got some electrical outputs right here, or outlets rather, and some USB ports for your charging needs. Another really cool thing about this, love it. We got the storage on the bottom here, okay? You can see again, those springs are key. You don't need to be super strong in order to lift up the bed, okay? And it can stay there. You can sit right here, put your shoes on, or whatever you need to do. There's some storage on the side here as well, which is, this box is in the way, but there's a lot of space in there, a lot. You also got another door to go ahead and separate yourself from the rest of the coach. So if you want that privacy, definitely the rig for you for sure. So yeah, as you come on through here, if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to go ahead and give me a call. My name is Kyle, and I would love to help you out. So my phone number is 541-799-8794. Thanks for watching, guys.